Sure.
Okay, good afternoon. Day, mag-print tadag kuan day. Exit ko man day. Kanang magpalit ko ban paper. Kanang kuan day kadto masipan na. Kanang nalimot ako Diyos. Kanang kuan contract. Can you see this one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we have here a 10 future plan. Okay, our topic is about future plan. Okay, this one.
I don't see my vocabulary lesson.
You see the
I see the welcome. I don't see a lesson.
vocabulary. What can you see in here? No?
No, I can see.
You can't.
Yes, I
Okay,
see.
this one. What you see, Tono? It is?
I don't see any.
I don't
My
see anything. Wait me. I will try it for it. Okay, wait me. Thank this one. Sarang ito. Okay. Okay, how about that one? That one, Tono.
yes, I see a grammar.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Okay, so this one. So we have here. Hmm, okay, wait me ha. Okay, future tense. Okay, so we have vocabulary, do laundry, baseball,
We
basketball. Huh?
done this.
Oh, wait me ha. This is 9, 11. Okay, let us have do this. Okay, wait me. Just a minute. 1 minute.
Okay,
Yeah, how are you today?
I'm
Doing
fine.
great?
Yes.
Okay, so did you go to his house or not
Uh,
anymore?
Today we went go to Hội An and I'm at home and I will go my hometown.
When will you go to your hometown? I thought next week. Last week.
Mm, I go to my hometown and I next week I think I will go in house because today her family he go to Hoi An accent town with her friend.
Okay, that's why he asked me if possible we will not have class today because she will go somewhere. Yeah, I understand. Oh, wait, Miha, just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, this one, it's ready. Please check this one. Wait, okay, how about this one?
Mm,
What can you see in here? Okay, so are we done with clothing? Not yet.
okay, teacher.
Mhm. Okay, so dress. We have dress, violin. Okay, so we have skirt, blouse, he- high heels, sandals, gloves, pajama, trousers, and sweater. Okay, so these are the different clothes or type of clothes. Okay, so this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, which one, Tono, in these clothes? Wait, huh? The one which is your favorite.
My favorite is Rufus, Florent, and Lowe's.
Okay. Okay, which one? You give me one which is your favorite pair.
Mm, my favorite is Lowe's and Roof skirt. Roofless skirt.
The blue skirt. Ah, this one. Wait. This one. Ah, this one.
No,
And this one.
the black.
The black one. This one. The ruffled. You like it?
Yes,
Okay. How about the shirt?
shirt. Uh, I think I blues. Blues. This purple
Mm-hmm.
blues.
Okay, so this one. Okay, what are you wearing today? Okay, I am asking you now.
Mm, 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 mm.
What are you wearing today?
I wearing a shorts and a shirt.
It is?
A short and a shirt.
Hey, so I am wearing a short and a shirt. Okay, one. Okay. So, Tono, do you like sweaters? Do you like to wear sweaters?
I think I think it's a good fun, so I like it.
Okay, you love them. Okay. Do you like wearing jeans in summer?
I think, oh no, because when I wear a string, I will be very hot, and summer the temperature in Vietnam is 40. It's
Okay. So it's very hot.
yes, very
Mm,
hot.
yes. Okay. Because sometimes it is said it makes me feel uncomfortable. So wearing what? What are your favorite clothes, Tono?
My favorite clothes is blouse and skirt, and sometime in winter I like to wear a holding jacket.
Okay. Now we have here the task. Match each word with a picture. Write the correct letter. Okay? Match
Okay,
only. Okay. Just write the letter, Tono. Okay?
okay,
Go. Okay. Ano?
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, we have here sandals. Okay, correct. Scarf. Okay, so you know this is very easy. Skirt, a hat. Correct. Shorts, t-shirt, glasses, pants. Okay, shirt. Okay, sneakers, blouse. This one is the sneakers. This one, where is it? This one. Okay, shoulder band. Okay, so this one. Now, Tono, please listen to the audio. Okay, are you ready?
Okay,
Okay,
teacher.
go.
Do you like this blouse?
Yes, that blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
What?
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
One more.
Do you like this blouse?
Yes, that blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
Anak lagi diriminum.
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so did you hear that? Okay, now let us read the script. This is Cheryl and Bam.
Do you
Okay.
like those?
Okay, I am Bob and you will be Cheryl. Okay.
Okay. Do you like this blouse?
Yes. Okay, next. Go.
That blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about the shoes? Do you like them?
I
Kano?
like I like those shoes.
I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do?
Yeah, you look like a movie star, Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
But, but,
What?
what about this sweater?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. So, Tono, what do you think they're talking about?
They talking about Charles' clothes. Papa is watching the soccer match, but Charles asked had they about which is beautiful.
Hey, so they are talking about dress to wear. Okay, so I have here six questions. Please try to answer. You can write your answer in the chat box. Okay, so this is about the video. If you want to hear the video again, please tell teacher. Okay, I will play the video and please answer. Okay, I will just go to the bathroom, ha, just a minute. Okay, please, I will play the video and answer this one. Okay,
Okay.
go, Tono. Oh, sorry. What happened? Ano naman nilibot teacher? Try na naman sila.
Do you like this blouse?
Yes, that blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star, Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob.
Uy, naranin mo ang buwan ha.
Bob!
Uy, naranin mo ang buwan.
What about these
Romantic ka na ko
sweaters?
rin.
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Uy, wala akong buwan ha. Perma. Asa manihat kami? Asa na kami? Asan perma? Asa ba? Oo. Kana ron din. Hindi ko
Ano ba?
siguro. Kamera.
Ay, mangita ko sila nan, anak. Kay mga jokong. Okay, please answer this one, ha? You can write your answer in the chat box.
Fitness teacher.
Okay, number one. I will read, ha. Okay, what is it? Okay. Does Bob like the house in the video? Hmm? Does Bob like the house in the video? Your answer is yes, he does. Okay, please read your answer, Tono. What does Bob think about the skirt?
Mm, he think is very nice.
He thinks it's very nice. Okay. What does Bob think about the, who thinks the blouse is beautiful?
Paul.
It is Paul. Okay. What do Bob and Paul think about the shoes?
Is dating is very is beautiful.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Okay. So who looks like a movie star?
Cherry was dressed like Julia Roberts.
Correct. Okay. Do you think the men were honest in their opinions? Do you think they're honest?
I think yes.
I think yes. Okay.
No.
Okay, so this one. Now let us have here. Over to you. What is she wearing? So you have to work it. So this is skirt. Okay. Let us ask an answer. So do you often try clothes on when shopping?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What do you wear to a birthday party? Example, you will attend a birthday party.
I wear my favorite shirt, my favorite clothes, also as dress or a simple shirt and skirt.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so of course, sometimes if we go to the party, we have to wear something special, like maybe Sunday dress or like example, it's pink. Oh, so you are gonna have pink dress. Okay, next one. Do you often get dressed when going out?
Mm, no,
Mm-hmm, no. Okay. So what you will gonna wear? Example, you will go out with friends.
I usually go out with I wear a shirt and a skirt or a pant.
Okay, so a skirt or a pants. What do Vietnamese people often wear to a funeral?
They wear a dress, beautiful dress, or uh, uh, their favorite clothes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So mostly in my country, if there is a funeral, there is a family member of the family died, or there's during the funeral event or night. So we mostly have we usually wear black and white. How about in Vietnam?
In Vietnam, I think people wear a traditional clothes and wear a beautiful dress or t-shirt.
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, so I hear that one of my students told me that there is a traditional dress for Vietnamese that they were going to wear. whenever they will have to wear, I mean, to have to attend funeral. Okay. Have you ever lost self-confidence because of the clothes that you are wearing?
I think yes.
Mm-hmm.
I think I haven't. I have.
Okay, have you ever lost self-confidence because of the clothes that you're wearing? Example, you attend activity in the school and the teacher told you that you have to wear dress. But then what you hear, you will gonna wear a shorts. So when you go to school, when you attend the activity, you found out that you are the only one wearing shorts and most of your classmates are wearing dress. So what did you feel right then?
I feel I feel so sad, and I think will I should wear a jacket,
Mm-hmm. And
and I will don't put the jacket up myself.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so of course it's normal that we felt shy, right? The first time, oh my God, okay, what happened? What will I do now? I am wearing like this. Okay. But then everything will turn out fine and okay, right? Okay, is your fashion style different from 5 years ago? So when you were kids, okay?
I think uh I think it yeah, sometimes I wear old
Mm-hmm.
old um old clothes because I think sometimes I think it's beautiful, but sometimes it's done on done for me, and I don't like this, and my mom uh put it for someone.
Okay. Okay, describe what you're wearing now and your favorite clothes. Okay, describe what you're wearing now and your favorite clothes. It could be 5 to 7 sentences. Okay, you can try to get ready so you can write in the paper and after that you read it to me. Okay, just 1 minute. I will give you 1 minute to answer. Just you can write in the paper and then read it to the teacher. Dahil naman dahil dagang mga Okay now? Wa diri James, to ako nas Manila.
Creamy.
Mm-mm. Okay. Describe what you're wearing now and your favorite clothes. Okay? Done or not yet?
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, let me see. Wait, where is it? Okay, can you please read it for me?
I'm wearing a pajama. It's yellow white color
Mm-hmm.
and have many green hooves for bear,
Mm-hmm.
honey, and bear's name. But I
Mm-hmm.
like to wear black shirt and skirt. I think
Mm-hmm.
it's very cool. Although the shirt is large for me, but it's larger for me, but uh, it's great. It's cool and great. Like to go out with my friends.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is good, Donna. Great job. I'm wearing a pajama. It's white color. It has, Donna, it has green. It has not them all. It has green bears. Okay? Okay, this one now. For example, can you please read the example? Ikaw na kung sa akong ati. Uy, ang kadto din kung akong na-communicate. Okay. I fancy. Okay, please read again.
I fancy. No,
Okay. So please read, Tono.
I fancy trees so much. Firstly, they instantly create a stylish and fashionable look for the wearer. Secondly, they are so easy to mix and match, uh, and I can wear them with hats or different shirts with without worry about looking
That's without worrying.
worrying
Without worrying. Okay, go.
about looking right in close in other people's eyes. And lastly, the means the names is so tall that it can't be turned. So I can have them for a long time and save a great deal of money.
Very good. So this is the favorite clothes. So your favorite clothes is okay, your pajama with the Pooh designs. Okay. So that's mostly what you are wearing, right, Tono? You are wearing mostly that Pooh designs pajama. Okay, you like it the most. Okay. So Tono, teacher, and don't have enough time. So I will see you, Tono, on Monday. Okay? Right? Monday, what time? It
Monday,
is
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Okay, bye-bye. See you on Monday. Thank
Bye,
you.
teacher.
Okay, okay.